but it's a wise investment for all homeowners. Utilities. Unlike renting, where some utilities may be included, homeowners are responsible for these costs. Maintenance and repairs. Homes require ongoing maintenance and occasional repairs. Include a budget for these expenses. Homeowners Association fees, if applicable to your property. Homeowners Association fees are an additional cost to consider. 2. Length of stay. Consider how long you intend to live in your new home. Home purchases involve significant upfront costs, like closing expenses, mortgage fees, and real estate commissions. Staying in a home long enough for its value to appreciate can offset these costs. 3. Buyer assistance programs. Research if you qualify for any buyer assistance programs, which can make homeownership more affordable. These first-time home buyer programs are available at the national, state, and local levels and have specific eligibility criteria.